GPT-5.6 Sol, Grok 4.5, Claude Fable 5. Last week, these three collided on launch day, and for the first time, Fable's crown wobbled. This week, the rematch. The creators had 7 full days with the new models, and the builds got serious. Soulslikes, shooters, giant fighting robots. 9 builds, 9 verdicts, 1 crown. I'm Uriel, and this is AI Game Watch. First up, Sol gets asked for Rocket League in 1 prompt. The creator, Tef, types 1 request, make me Rocket League from scratch, and Sol delivers this, Turbo League. Full menu, 1v1 against an AI opponent, aerial physics, boost, a match timer. Look at the ball movement. That's not a static demo. That's car soccer with real momentum. There's even a goal celebration. What breaks? The AI opponent is passive, and the arena's a bit empty. But this came from a single sentence. 1 prompt, playable car soccer with working physics. Sol opens with an A. Same model, harder ask. Dark Souls, from scratch in 3D. Sol calls its creation Ashenfall, an original Souls-like, its words. Title screen with lore, stamina system, dodging, checkpoints, an actual level called the Drowned Causeway. And yes, a genuine you died screen in blood red serif, because if an AI understands one thing about Dark Souls, it's failure. What breaks? It is dark, genuinely hard to see. Combat is floaty, enemies are blobs with health bars. The ambition is glorious. The execution is murky. Ashenfall takes a B. Prompt 3, make me Minecraft, and make it look exactly like Minecraft. Sol builds Blockhaven, a voxel survival world running in the browser. Procedural terrain, water, trees, a hotbar, even little animals wandering the hills. The creator walks, jumps, breaks blocks. It holds together. It's not Minecraft deep. No crafting tree worth the name, and the world starts stuttering as it generates. But from 1 sentence to a walkable voxel world? Last week I called Sol the best employee, 3 for 3. This week, still 3 for 3. Another A. Grok 4.5 answers. 5 prompts, 1 Formula 1 track. Remember Grok's problem last week? Gorgeous worlds, thin games? Watch this.
Creator George Lee has Grok build a voxel racer on the full Silverstone layout. Every corner is signposted. Maggots, Beckett's, Stowe, Club. There's a live mini-map, sector timing, a chase camera. The track detail is genuinely impressive. Look at those apex curbs. What breaks? The car. Handling is stiff, and it took 5 prompts where Sol needed 1. Beautiful track, questionable driver. Grok qualifies with a B. Test 2 for Grok, a skateboarding game. In C++, no engine. This is from Bijan Bowen's Grok Deep Test, and it's a different flavor of impressive. Not a browser toy, compiled C++ code, a boardwalk world, score and combo multipliers ticking up top left, NPCs strolling the pier. Grok needed a couple of correction rounds. The board spawned invisible at first, which is very AI, but it recovered and shipped something that runs. Real compiled code, real combo system, real recovery. Another solid B. Then Grok did the thing nobody expected, a working shooter. 1 prompt to Grok 4.5 and out comes a first-person shooter. Desert compound, working gun, ammo counter, kill feed. The movement is smooth, hit registration works, and the map has actual sight lines, cover, lanes. Last week, Grok was the artist who couldn't finish. This is the clip that says it's learning to. What breaks? Enemies are dumb as bricks. But every FPS enemy was, once. The artist learned to finish. Grok's shooter takes an A. It's first. Now the head-to-head. 1 Minecraft weapons mod. Both models, same brief. Creator LanceyPoo runs it like a duel. Claude Fable 5 builds first. A full Gunworks arsenal. Grenade launcher, explosive damage numbers, clean inventory integration. Everything labeled and working. Then GPT-5.6 Sol answers with its own kit. The Iron Carbine, 64 block range, reload mechanics. Both ship real working weapons.
But side by side, Fable's arsenal is deeper and cleaner. Sol brought a gun, Fable brought an armory. Point Fable, A. And then Fable 5 built giant monsters, because someone asked nicely. Same creator, bigger brave. Kaiju mods, giant monsters that actually fight.
Fable 5 delivers an assault mech you spawned from an egg, skyscraper-scale beasts, and full-on battles above a Minecraft city. Look at that thing fly! This is the clip where you stop grading on a curve. This isn't good for an AI. This is content people would just watch. Giant fighting robots from a text prompt. First S of the season, Fable. Final round, all of them. Same prompt, 7 computers at once. Creator Nick Vasilescu gives every major model its own machine and one identical brief. Build me an original browser game. Watch the wall of screens. Neon Serpent, Orbit Heist, Orbital Scrap Hunt. Every model shipped something playable. Astro K Joseph ran the same 3-way and got Neon Frontier, a 3D sci-fi world with quests and a workbench. Stop and register what changed this week. The floor for one-prompt games is now, it works. Every single model shipped a playable game. The real winner is the prompt box. So, the rematch verdict. Sol is still the best employee. One prompt, instant game, 3 for 3, 2 weeks running. Grok grew the most. The artist finally finished a game and took its first A. But Fable 5 won the only head-to-head and dropped the only S-tier build on the board. Last week, the crown wobbled. This week, it steadied. The thesis? All 3 can build you a playable game from a sentence, but ask for spectacle, and only Fable delivers it. Full credit to every creator you saw. Tef, LanceyPoo, George Lee, Bijan Bowen, Pursuing AI, Nick Vasilescu, and Astro K Joseph. Links to every original video are in the description. Go watch the full builds. New episode every week. Real verdicts, no fluff. Subscribe so the next scorecard finds you. I'm Uriel. See you next week.